Hello, good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, in previous period, dear students, we have talked about the lazy Jack, how in what way the boy lazy Jack used to do his daily work. Now, for one day, how his life had been totally changed, and now he is a good gentleman. He is living with his family a very happy life. So let's see. So dear, so dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson of lazy Jack. That Jack was not a lazy boy at all, but he was little bit confused, and that's why. But at the last, he had got a very good girl as a life partner, and he became a very rich man. And now also he do not act as a lazy Jack. Okay, so let's see what we understand. So understanding what we read, we are going to do exercise in the book. So please open page number 26. Okay, so dear students, we are on page number 26 here. Let's see understanding what we read. Question number A. Take the best answer. So dear students, here questions are asked and three options are given and we have to choose the best answer. Alright, so are you ready? I hope you have understood the lesson properly. So the first question is, why was Jack called Lazy Jack? Why was Jack called Lazy Jack? The option first is A is he was lazy. Number B because he did nothing, कुछ भी नहीं करता था. Or C he did nothing at all, he just sat around all day. So what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct option is option C, that he did nothing at all and he just sat around all day. Alright, okay, so option C is the correct. Now number second, why was Jack happy when he was given a penny? Why was Jack happy when he was given a penny? जब उसको पैसे दिए गए तब वो क्यों खुश हुआ? So because first option is no one had ever given him any money before that, or number B he was happy to get paid for his work, or number C he was happy that he could give his mother some money. So why he was happy? So the correct option is A, that no one had ever given him any money before that. उसके पहले आज तक उसको किसी ने भी पैसे नहीं दिया था. Okay, and that's why Jack was very happy after getting a penny. Number 3, why did the milk spill out of the jug? Why did the milk spill out of the jug? जग के बाहर दूध कैसे गिरा? So option is there was too much milk in it. बहुत ज़्यादा मिल्क था. नंबर बी जैक पुट द जग इन हिज पॉकेट, या जैक ने उस दूध के जग को अपने पॉकेट में डाला था. या फिर ऑप्शन सी जैक ओबेड हिज मदर, या इसलिए गिरा था कि जैक ने अपनी मम्मी की माँ की बात मानी थी. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर डियर स्टूडेंट? Yes, the correct answer is B. So why did the milk spill out of the jug? Because Jack put the jug in his pocket. Okay, so option B is the correct option. Number 4, why did the cat scratch Jack's hands and face? Why did the cat scratch Jack's hands and face? So let's see the option. He tried to carry the cat in his hands. Number second B, he listened to his mother and did what she did. क्योंकि दूसरा उसने अपनी माँ की बात सुना था और उसने जैसी बताई थी वैसे ही किया, या इसलिए he brought it home the way he should have brought the cream cheese home. Okay, so what is the correct option? Correct answer, why did the cat scratch Jack's hands and face? Because he tried to carry the cat in his hands, क्योंकि उसने उस कैट को हाथ में लाने की कोशिश किया. Alright, now number 5, who did Jack work for? Now, who did Jack work for? Jack ने किसके किसके लिए काम किया? So, for option A, he worked for a farmer and a baker. Number B, he worked for 2 farmers, a baker, a cowherd, and a butcher, and a washerman. Or number C, he worked for a farmer, a cowherd, a butcher, a baker, and a washerman. So what is the correct answer? Okay, so option B is the correct answer. He worked for 2 farmers, a baker, a cowherd, and a butcher, and a washerman. Alright, so I hope you have done this activity into your book. Okay, let's move to the next page, page number 27. Now, question number B, choose the right words to fill in the blanks. Let's see, 2 options are given in the bracket. Let's fill it with the correct option. Okay, number 1, all winter Jack sat beside the fireplace or under the trees. So all winter Jack sat beside the fireplace. So please write beside the fireplace. Okay, so you have to write the correct option. So number 2, the penny fell into the brook or on the road. So the penny fell into the brook, okay, the penny fell into the brook. Number 3, Jack carried the cream cheese. Jack carried the cream cheese in his hands or on his head. क्रीम चीज़ उसने कहाँ लाया था? अपने हाथ में लाया था और सर पे लाया था. सो जैक कैरीड द क्रीम चीज ऑन हिज हेड. ऑलराइट, ऑन हिज हेड. ओके, number 4, Jack carried the donkey. Jack carried the donkey on his shoulders. On his shoulders or in his hands. So Jack carried the donkey on his shoulders. Okay, so on his, please write properly, on his shoulders. Okay, on his shoulders. Now number 5, the beautiful girl was sitting near her window or at her window. So the correct option is the beautiful girl was sitting at her window. All right. So dear students, here we have filled the right words in the blanks. All right. Now let's do it. Number C, complete the answers. Okay, and later, with dear students, you have to do these answers into your notebook. So it's a homework. Okay, you have to do it into your notebook. So number 1, why did Jack's mother say that she would turn him out of the house? Why did Jack's mother say that she would turn him out of the house? जैक की माँ ने ऐसा क्यों कहा था कि वो उसको घर से बाहर कर देगी? So the answer is Jack's mother wanted him, because Jack's mother wanted him to go out and do some work. All right, dear students. Okay. Now number 2, why did Jack carry the cream cheese on his head? जैक ने क्रीम चीज अपने सर पर क्यों लाई थी? Because Jack's mother had told him to carry the jug of milk on his head. Okay, all right, dear students, write properly and give full stop. Okay, number 3, why did the dogs run after Jack? So The dogs wanted. Why they run after the Jack? Because run after Jack. The dogs wanted to eat the meat. Wanted to eat the meat. Okay, you know meat. Meat means मांस का टुकड़ा. Mutton. Meat that Jack was dragging. ओके सो जो जैक खींच कर जिस टुकड़े को ला रहा था, फॉर दैट पीस ऑफ मीट द डॉग्स रन आफ्टर जैक. ओके सो मीट दैट जैक वॉज ड्रैगिंग. ओके व्हाई डिड द ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल लव? व्हाई डिड the beautiful girl laugh? The beautiful girl saw Jack carrying a donkey on his shoulders. Okay, and that's why she laughed looking at the Jack. Okay, the beautiful girl saw Jack carrying a donkey on his shoulders, and that's why she laughed. Why do you think Jack stopped doing silly things? Now जैसे कि हमें पता है आखिरी में जैक ने अभी सिली थिंग्स मूर्खता वाली काम करना बंद कर दिया था. क्यों? Because Jack stopped doing silly things because he was very happy. Because he was very happy and he decided what did he decide? So he decided to work very hard. And that's why he had very hard. Okay, and happy and decided to work every day or very hard. So you can write down. So I hope dear students you have understood all these things. Please learn well, do well and study well. Thank you and have a good day.